Welcome to the next evolution of premium sound. Today, we are thrilled to unveil the latest additions to the Sonos ecosystem. Introducing the versatile Sonos Play and the sleek Era 100SL, innovation designed to fit perfectly into your lifestyle. Sonos Play portable speaker and Era 100SL launch with Trueplay tuning and AirPlay 2 support. Sonos has announced two new speakers, the Sonos Play and the Sonos Era 100SL, expanding its multi-room audio lineup. Both speakers are designed to work within the Sonos ecosystem and can be connected with other Sonos devices to create a multi-room listening setup. The Sonos Play is positioned as a versatile speaker designed for both home and portable use. It connects over Wi-Fi, allowing users to group speakers across rooms or pair two units for stereo sound. The speaker also includes a charging base intended to keep it docked as part of a home setup. For portable listening, the Sonos Play includes a removable utility loop for carrying and offers up to 24 hours of battery life. It carries an IP67 rating for dust and water resistance. The speaker also includes a built-in power bank that can be used to charge a smartphone. Sonos has also introduced a new Bluetooth grouping feature. Users can connect the Sonos Play to a phone over Bluetooth and then press and hold the play pause button to sync up to 3 additional Sonos Play or Sonos Move 2 speakers. This allows multiple speakers to play the same audio when away from a Wi-Fi network. The speaker also supports Automatic Trueplay tuning, which adjusts the sound output based on the surrounding environment. The Sonos Play supports multiple control options, including voice services, Spotify Connect, Apple AirPlay 2, and the Sonos app. It also features optimized power management and a replaceable battery. The Sonos Era 100SL is a simplified version of the Era 100 with a mic-free design. It is designed as an entry-level option within the Sonos system while still supporting room-filling sound. The speaker can operate as a standalone unit, be paired with another speaker for stereo sound, or be added to a multi-room system. It can also be used as part of a home theater setup. Both speakers support playback from more than 100 streaming services and can play audio over Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Sonos says the speakers were tuned with input from the Sonos Soundboard, a group that includes professionals from music and film. Pricing and availability: the Sonos Play is priced at $299, while the Sonos Era 100SL costs $189. Pre-orders begin on March 10, 2026, with general availability starting March 31, 2026.